In this video, I will going to teach you on how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your Apple Pay. So first, you need to navigate to your settings on your device, and after going to the settings, you will going to click your profile, and then after clicking your profile, select the payment and shipping. And then after that, under the payment method, which is via credit or debit card, either Visa, Master, or any type of your card. And that's the first option, which is the second option is PayPal. You were going to choose the PayPal option, and then after that, you were going to open your PayPal account by accessing their application or their website on your different devices. And then after that, this will pop up on your screen once you open your PayPal. You are going to click the agree and continue for you to able to accept and make transfers from your PayPal onto your Apple Pay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with others, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until the next time, keep learning and stay creative.